In this video, I'm reviewing ZenBusiness Registered Agents. We will cover their digital dashboard, the worry-free compliance guarantee, and the overall value of their service packages. By the end, you will know exactly if this is worth the $199 per year price tag. Now, the link to ZenBusiness is in the description. It's my affiliate link, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So if you find this video helpful and decide to give ZenBusiness a try, I would appreciate if you use my link. Thank you very much, and now let's get started. Part 1. The basics. First, let's explain what this service actually does for you. If you're forming an LLC or corporation, having a registered agent is a legal requirement. Think of them as the official front desk for your company. Their job is to be available during business hours to accept important government mail and legal documents on your behalf. ZenBusiness takes this traditional requirement and modernizes it. Instead of just a local office holding your paperwork, ZenBusiness acts as your digital partner. They receive your documents, scan them, and upload them to a secure online portal. This keeps your personal home address off public records, offering you privacy, while ensuring you never miss a critical filing deadline. It is designed to be a modern, tech-forward solution for compliance. Part 2. The pros. Let's talk about the major strengths of the platform. The standout feature here is undoubtedly the user interface. ZenBusiness has built a dashboard that feels like a modern software tool rather than a complicated legal portal. It is clean, intuitive, and makes finding your documents incredibly fast. Another huge benefit is the worry-free compliance option. This is a feature that really sets them apart for new business owners. It effectively puts your state filings on autopilot. They track your annual report deadlines and can even file them for you. If you're focusing on growing your business and don't want to stress about administrative dates, this automation provides significant peace of mind. We also have to mention the ecosystem because ZenBusiness offers everything from banking to website building. Having your registered agent service housed under the same roof as your other business tools is very convenient. It creates a centralized hub for your entrepreneurship journey. Part 3. The cons. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind to make sure this is the right fit for you. First, because ZenBusiness offers such a wide range of services, the checkout process can be quite thorough. During sign-up, you will see options for domain names, banking, and expedited filing. It's of course great to have these choices, but it does mean you need to pay attention and select only the add-ons that you currently need. Second, regarding document delivery, ZenBusiness is a digital-first company. They prioritize scanning and uploading your documents instantly so you can view them online. While they do handle physical mail forwarding, their system is optimized for speed by the digital dashboard. If you absolutely require physical hard copies of every single notice immediately, just know that the digital copy is always going to be the fastest way to view your mail here. Part 4. The experience. So, what is it actually like to use it day to day? It is very smooth. Set it and forget it experience. Once you're set up, your main dashboard gives you a clear snapshot of your business status. It will tell you if you're in good standing with the state or if there's an action item pending. The notification system is excellent. They don't just upload a document. They actively alert you via email to check your portal. This is crucial for staying on top of legal matters. Managing your settings is also very straightforward. You can update your contact info or payment methods easily on your own without needing to wait on hold for a support agent. It empowers you to manage your business on your own schedule. Part 5. Quality and reliability. Now, in terms of reliability, ZenBusiness is a well-established player in the industry. They have supported hundreds and thousands of businesses, so they have the infrastructure to handle your documents securely. The quality of the digital scans is high. The documents are legible, clear, and organized well within the cloud storage. You won't be squinting at low-quality images. Customer support is also a strong point. They're generally known for being friendly and helpful, with extended support hours that go beyond what you might find at a smaller local firm. For new entrepreneurs who might have questions about what a document means, having a knowledgeable support team accessible is a major asset. Part 6. Price and competition. Now, let's talk about value. ZenBusiness offers very competitive pricing for the first year of $99, which is a huge win for keeping your startup costs low. When it's time to renew, the price typically adjusts to around $199 per year. To give you some context, a competitor like Northwest Registered Agent charges a flat rate of about $125. So, strictly looking at the numbers, ZenBusiness does have a higher price point in the long run. However, the difference really comes down to the ecosystem. Competitors often provide a straightforward, no-frills service. With ZenBusiness, that premium fee covers the advanced digital dashboard, the partner network, and the convenience of having all your business tools under one roof. It is a choice between buying a simple filing service and investing in a complete business platform. Part 7. The verdicts. So, is ZenBusiness Registered Agent worth it? Well, if you're a business owner who values convenience, a modern interface, and a system that helps keep you compliant so you can focus on growth, then yes, it is a fantastic choice. The platform creates a safety net for your business administration that is well worth the investments. But if you're looking for the absolute bare minimum, cheapest option and don't care about software or support, then you might look elsewhere. Alright, thank you very much. If you found this video and are planning to try ZenBusiness, remember to use my link in the description. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.